Good morning, respected MD ma'am, director sir, principal sir, teachers, and dear school fellows. Today, we all have gathered here to mark the other landmark of success on this Independence Day of our beloved country, India. So I, Mansa Ashish, and my friend Pranaya, from the core of our hearts, welcome you all in this show on the behalf of the entire school family. We dance for laughter, we dance for tears, we dance for madness, we dance for fears. We dance for hopes, we dance for screams. We are the dancers, we create dreams. Yes, it is the time to gear up for a beautiful start of the show.
Our national flag has three colors and a wheel in the center. All the three colors have a meaning. The top saffron color indicates the strength and the courage. The middle white color indicates the truth and the peace. The bottom green color indicates the prosperity and the growth. And there is a navy blue wheel in the center, Ashok Chakra. So now I would like to invite Honorable Director Sir and Principal Sir to please unfurl the flag.
Freedom in the mind, faith in the words, pride in our souls. Let's salute the nation on our Independence Day. Please get ready for the pledge.
Good morning everyone, I am Rishabh Srivastav and today I will speak our pledge. India is my country and all Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I should always be strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers and all my elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Good morning everyone. I am sorry is going to do prayer on Teri Hai Zameen. So please join your hands and close your eyes. Get ready for your prayer. Teri hai zameen, tera आसमान, तू बड़ा मेहमान, तू बचीज, सभी ताए तू, सभी तेरे, खुदा मेरे, तू बचीज, तेरी है ज़मीन, तेरा आसमान, तू बड़ा मेहमान, तू बचीज, सभी का है तू, सभी तेरे, खुदा मेरे, तू बख्शीश, तेरी मर्जी से ए मालिक, हम इस दुनिया में आए हैं, तेरी रहमत से हम सब ने ये जिस्म और जान पाई है। तू अपनी नजर हम पर रखना, किस हालत में है ये खबर रखना। Thank you.
Today's day is on the name of the great legends and honor those heroic souls who sacrificed their valuable lives for India. Now I would welcome Pranaya to encourage us with a motivational speech.
Good morning everyone, my name is Pranaya Kachal and I will be the host for today. My love for my nation is my worthiness. My love for my people is endless. All I desire for my country is happiness. Let me be the first person to wish you all a special happy Independence Day. I would like to say few words on Independence Day. We celebrate Independence Day as the national festival of India. 15th August 1947 is a day when India got freedom from British rule completely. From that day onwards, 15th August became a very important day in Indian history and in the heart of every Indian. It's the most auspicious day for we Indians because India became independent after lots of hardships and sacrifices of our brave freedom fighters. Every year we celebrate Independence Day at Red Fort, New Delhi. Prime Minister carries the flag raising ceremony and delivers his address to the nation, followed by the national anthem. We all should feel proud to be an Indian and admire our future that we took birth on the land of independent India. We should take an oath today to be an highly responsible and well-educated citizen of the tomorrow's India. We should always be ready to save our motherland. Jai Hind!
Let's have a change. Let's come back to the reality. Let's come back to the theatre of life. Actually, life itself is a drama, and we all are artists performing our characters assigned to us by Almighty God.
I will never give my Jhansi to anyone until I am alive. खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वो तो झांसी की रानी. Yes, I am talking about झांसी की रानी, Rani Lakshmi Bai, famous for her bravery. She fought against British to protect our country. So let's tribute to her by saying the verse Bharat Mata Ki Jai, Bharat Mata Ki Jai, Bharat Mata Ki Jai.
Good morning everyone. Today I, Atik Singh of class 5th C, is going to tell you about the great freedom fighter Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Singh was an Indian socialist revolutionary fighter that fought for Indian independence and posed 2 acts of violence against Britishers in India, made him a great hero of the Indian independence movement. He was born on 28 September 1907 in Banga, Pakistan. His father's name was Sardar Kishan Singh Sandhu and his mother's name was Vidyavati. When he was 12, then after the Jallianwala Bagh incident, he straight went to the place where Jallianwala Bagh accident was done and collected a bottle wet with blood of Indians and worshipped that bottle every day. In December 1928, Bhagat Singh and his associate Shivaram Rajguru shot an 21-year-old British police officer named John Saunders, but they wanted to shoot James Scott. They believed that James Scott was responsible for the death of the Lala Lajpat Rai, a great Indian freedom fighter. Bhagat Singh was hanged on 23rd March 1931. The statement was given on 14 Feb 1931. Bhagat Singh was indeed a true patriot. We still believe him as Shaheed Bhagat Singh. Thank you.
Hello everyone, it's me Varun Goel from SR International School. I study in class 4. So today I will tell you a poem. Can you lay your life down so a stranger can live? Can you take what you need and take less than you give? Could you go every day without the glory and fame? Could you hold your head high when no one knows your name? That's how legends are made. Can you sit down again and play another hand? Can you drop everything when you know you are alone? Still have strength to find that place. When you come undone, that's how legends are made. Can you move through darkness and not once look back? Can you still hold someone's hand when you are in pain? Can you do all this and return charming and welcoming to a place where it's not your name, but those you save then go back again to what you do best? Then gentlemen, you are a legend. Thank you.
Now let us all stand for the national anthem. जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंग विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उत्कल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाए तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे. Once again, thanks a lot to you all for joining us and giving us a chance to be grateful to you.